Hindi lang ako makapaniwalang nandito ako sa South Korea after what happened to me last year. Ay, I started dating myself again and again and again. Every time nalalabas ako alone, parang there's a new version of me na naka-unlock ko. Gusto ko i-gatekeep but at the same time parang gusto ko rin ipakita sa ibang tao. And ngayon, pinaprioritize ko na dapat kung sino mang magiging partner ko in the future, hindi niya dapat mawala yung spark na nahanap ko sa pagsasolo date ko. And I also value individuality. So, if ever man na magkaroon talaga ako ng partner in the future, ayoko talaga mawala yung individuality ko. Ayokong maging partner lang. I also want to be an individual. Like, iba yung Beapot na individual. Iba yung Beapot na partner. Dating yourself doesn't mean you're choosing to be single forever. Like, hindi ko sinasabing maging mag-isa ka na lang habang buhay. Hindi ko sinasabing huwag ka na maghanap ng jowa. Hindi ko sinasabing hindi mo na mararanasan ikasal. Kasi you can literally be in a relationship. You're taken, in love, talking to someone, or even stuck in a situationship, and still choose to date yourself. Because dating yourself isn't about your relationship status, and it shouldn't dictate your relationship status. Ano yun kapag nakita ka nagsa-solo date ka, single ka na? Kapag nakikita ka nag-solo date ka, broken ka na? O kaya naman iniwan ka? No. Dating yourself is about how you treat you. Ang haba ng pangalan nyo! Ready na? Ikaw, anong hula mo?
Bawal ako mag-name drop.
Beapot and her peace of mind forever. Lagyan natin ng date. Siguro kapag sinabi mo sa akin last year na sinasabi ko to sa'yo and nandito ako ngayon sa South Korea, chillin', and kakatapos ko lang mag-solo date sa Suwon, kakatapos ko lang kumain ng authentic kimchi jjigae sa Suwon, hindi ako maniniwala. I'd laugh. Because I didn't know how to date myself. I used to get uncomfortable with the idea pa lang of going out alone. Like something was wrong if I didn't have someone beside me, ganon. I felt so awkward sitting alone, eating alone, and even just by walking alone. Being with myself felt unfamiliar. I didn't trust that my own company was enough. We are off to Suwon today and our main agenda is bisitahin yung kung saan nag-shoot yung My Lovely Runner. Yes, dun sa Casa Imsol, yung bahay ni Imsol. So, we're going there and actually super hirap mag-navigate around Suwon or like papuntang Suwon rather. Kasi ang daming transfer ng trains mula Seoul or mula Sinchon, specifically Sinchon Station kasi kami. And hindi namin alam na ang daming lipat-lipat, nakakalito. Lalo na yung pagdating sa Guro na station. As in, ang daming choices ng trains, nakahilera sila. And nakakalito kasi pare-parehas lang sila ng direction. Pero at the same time, meron kasing parang pa-letter Y, di ba, sa dulo. So, doon nagkakatalo. Pero right now, parang 2 hours na bumabiyahe. And hopefully, makarating na sa Suwon kasi pagod na ako. Ganda. Ganda dito, dear. Tingnan mo. Ganda. Oh, yeah. Dito na tayo sa bahay ni Imsol. Sunjet. Okay, by dating yourself kasi you'll get to know yourself, not just your highs, but even your lows. What do I mean? Like, It's okay to go on dates, tapos magkamali ka, matapilok ka, madapa ka, mapahiya ka, hindi mo alam paano mag-order, hindi mo alam paano bumili neto, hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta, naliligaw ka. And that's okay. And that is really okay. Getting lost makes you get to know yourself more. Kasi if kikilalanin mo lang yung sarili mo with your best shots, like yung mga highs mo, yung mga good points mo, kilala mo ba talaga yung sarili mo by knowing your bests only? What about your losses? Paano yung failures mo? How do you accept them? In my case, mas nakilala ko yung sarili ko nung nakita ko yung sarili ko nasa pinakababa siya. I swear, like, mas nakilala ko siya. Kasi mas alam ko na yung gusto ko sa buhay. Mas alam ko na yung gusto kong papasukin sa buhay ko. Gusto kong... Nalaman ko yung limitations ko. Like, alam ko na kung ano yung kaya ko at kung ano pa yung gusto kong kayanin ko. Such limitations are also applicable when it comes to filtering out the people in your life. Like, kung sino na dapat yung mag-exit at kung sino dapat yung magstay lang. Okay, harap! Yee! Haha, demure!
Tingin! Tapos takbo. Wait lang, demure lang. Yan. Okay, ikot. Yes!
I figure that the world is so big that I get to meet other people, better people, new friends, new circles, better circles, or even reconnect with long-distance, low-maintenance friendships. I was able to realize na hindi dapat umiikot yung mundo ko sa isang tao lang. Kasi I have these circles of friends and connections around me. Solo dating allowed me to be more confident in connecting with people. I was able to meet random Korean friends I get to share gopchang with. And being alone doesn't necessarily need to feel lonely. It becomes an avenue to explore and chat with strangers. Kunwari, pag naliligaw ka, or if you need help with taking pictures, yung strangers yung tutulong sa'yo eventually. Spontaneous lang, ganun. It's quite wild, but it's actually the fun part.
Here in Korea, we are getting in relationship like
In just a day?
no, not just a day, 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yes, almost 3 weeks. They're just getting up a date like 3 times, and oh, I like you. Okay, I like you too. Then get a relationship.
Oh!
It's really alright.
No talking stage, no courting stage.
Hey, we have a courting stage.
But only weeks?
3 weeks.
In the Philippines, we don't do that. Or maybe others, but for me, my preference is I really want to get to know him first before actually boyfriend, girlfriend.
Here in Korea, let's get a relationship and get know each other that they serve.
Ah. Solo dating makes you feel more confident and approach people like her. And then you not solo date anymore. You get people like her and get to know and interact with strangers. What's your favorite?
I like small intestine.
Oh, small intestines favorite. What's your favorite? Small intestines. Oh. Wow, pretty. Ganda. Oh, you should buy.
I think I have to buy this.
Yeah. So if you ever find yourself second guessing or like hindi ka sure kung itutuloy mo ba talaga yung pinaplano mong solo date, o kaya naman yung solo walk na yan, that solo trip, that solo concert, I want you to ask yourself this. What if this one step could change your life a year from now? What if the version of you you've been trying to become is waiting on the other side of that solo date moment? What if all you need is to take yourself out just once or twice to realize you're capable of more than you think? This is your sign to date yourself. Travel alone, eat alone, explore alone. Not because you have to, but because you deserve to know yourself deeply. You deserve experiences that don't depend on anyone else. You deserve to fall in love with your own life. So take that first step if you haven't, because you'll never know where dating yourself might take you. In my case, it took me to South Korea. And I'm kind of looking forward to next year. And that is all for another day of convincing you to start dating yourself. See you on the next one. Bye!